Hey everyone, for this video I'm gonna use these tools like Dome's color pencil and one black color pen, one white gel pen, graphite charcoal pencil of soft tone, and some kneaded eraser and some more eraser, as well as one sketchbook. And I'm going to draw Arun Gobind so that I can dedicate this sketch on Ram Navami. So let's start it. So first of all, I am going to teach you how to do the outline. So be with me and observe the outline. Okay, so let's do the outline. For that I have selected one mechanical pencil of 0.5 mm, just like this. Okay, and now start with the middle point. So I'm going to select 2 points just like this. Okay, and now what I will do, I will draw the outer shape of the face. So let's imagine, or you can keep your reference picture over there, and just like this you can give one rough outline. If it is double line, it's absolutely okay, because this is our reference outline. Later on you can erase it and make it more perfect. So I'm just imagining, see, this is the hair part, this is the eyebrow and eye part, and this is the cheekbone area, jawline and chin line. If you don't know how to draw such type of outline, then already my video is available, so I will put it on the I button as well as on the description, so that you can easily avail it. Okay, and after that what I am doing, I am just duplicating this side into another side. It may not be exactly the duplication of this side, cause each and every face has some inequality. They are not bilaterally symmetrical, and that's why I am trying to follow as per the reference picture, just like this, just like this. Okay, and now I am imagining one middle line. I will complete it somewhere, just like this. Okay, now imagine one middle line, just like this. One middle line is there, and now I'm going to guess the eyebrow line. So this must be somewhere this and this area. Okay, now what I'm doing, see, I'm trying to bold the eyebrow line, rough outline I'm doing, just like this, and on the side. Okay, now let's draw the eyes. First of all, eye fold. So this is the eye fold, and then eye structure. Waterline. Now eyeball, iris, and reflection of light, just like this, in the opposite opposite side, so I fold. On this side I fold is not much visible. Okay, now trying from the corner. Okay. Eyelashes line, lower line, waterline, and then eyeball, iris, reflection of light. Okay, now nose, some things you need to copy from the reference image. For that you need some practice. Okay. This is the lip area, up, down, up, down, middle portion, little bit up as per the reference image. And some chin line, lower eye line, and this is all the face structure. Now hairline somewhere in the middle. The hair must be like this. Their lobes. Okay, now at the top some hair is mounted up, so I will do like this. Now some mala is there, so I'm putting some mala. So this is kind of outline we got for Mr. Arun Govind, and let's shade it on the next video. Okay, so very soon I'm gonna upload my next video. If you are new to my channel, then you can do one thing. You can subscribe my channel and also select the bell icon, so that whenever I will upload my next part of this portrait, you will get the notification. So see you on next video. Take care. Bye.